right, we're in West Van today. We are at a beautiful property here in British Properties, and we are going to take this house and do a big second story addition and a full run out inside. Let me show you around. Okay, we're inside. This is the front hallway. We will be keeping the front door here, but inside a lot is going to change. I want to tell you about two things, because this house used to be a rancher, and sometime in the 80s somebody added a second story just on this part of the house. So there's two different sets of stairs that really are ineffective for use of space. So as you come in this front door, what we're going to do is have a new walk path that's going to come all the way through here and up to this new second story that's going to continue from this point all the way over to the garage. Okay guys, so we're coming into the kitchen. So actually the kitchen is going to stay in this same location, but what we're going to do is we're removing this peninsula and we're going to orient the island in the other direction, because we're taking down all of these walls here. This goes to a hallway, and 2 bedrooms beyond will all be incorporated within the new great room. So we're in the backyard, and I wanted to show you, because actually behind you, and we'll show you that in a second, is really beautiful trees and a raised yard. If you remember from the inside, these are actually 2 bedrooms, and that will be incorporated into the great room. So we need to really have a connection between the indoors and the outdoors. So we're actually going to put a big French door right there in the middle, and then these 2 windows are going to be like, they'll still be that high, but we're going to bring the sill down almost to the floor. So you'll really have this whole wall that will allow you to experience this really beautiful backyard. Hey, we are in the existing second story that was built in around the 80s. What I wanted to talk to you up here, this is all going to be really different, but when we do the addition, we have right now a major gable, which will be our major prominent roof line, and then we're going to have a secondary gable in the opposite direction. Okay, so from the outside you see these 2 big windows, so we can't change them because it would throw off the whole front facade. So what we had to do is make sure that the rooms that we're creating here don't affect these windows. So actually behind me, what that's going to be, if you can imagine, this is going to be the daughter's bathroom. It's going to be huge, this whole thing, all the way. Okay, so that's it for today, but I can't wait to show you when we're back during the framing stages. I get really excited about that part too. It's going to look completely different on this side and on this side. But what I'm really excited about is when we're at the end of the project and you see the finished product, beautiful beams, new flooring, a super modern Zen kitchen and living room. It's going to be so beautiful.